Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com for more information about our online courses. Yesterday I was chatting to an old friend of mine. He's a guy I grew up with actually. And I know that he'd recently been back to visit his parents. And when we were kids growing up together, I used to go round to his house quite a lot. So I used to know his parents quite well. I know that now they're both well into their 80s and that his mum's not been well recently. So I asked how they were getting on, how his mum was. And he replied with a sigh, to be honest, mate, she's on her way out right now. She hasn't got long left. In this context, if you say she's on her way out, it basically means she's dying. She's not got long left to live. It can also mean just that you're leaving. So maybe if someone's leaving a room, you might shout after them, "Hey, make sure you close the door on your way out." Or, "Hey, can you turn the light off on your way out?" as you're leaving the room. It can also mean, depending on the context, that you're about to lose your job or get fired. So maybe if you're the manager of a football team, like Manchester United or Tottenham, for example, and you're doing very, very badly, you're on a very bad run of form, friends or fans might talk about what's going on and say, he's got to be on his way out soon. Surely he can't stay in the job with this run of results. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use on your way out, on their way out, on his or her way out.